pray for Doodle because he had cancer and he died and I miss him. Pray for me, pray for my family. And God bless Doodle, God bless Yoda. Please help everything be okay. Please help everything in our help us be okay, and please pray for us. And Neil, thank you for telling me what to do. Thank you. Appreciate it. I appreciate Neil. Everybody at State School, please pray for Doodle. Please pray for Ernie. For he doesn't feel lonely. And please pray for Yoda. So I'm really upset right now because Doodle passed away, but I'm trying to hold it together. I'm on the way back home right now, but I just want to make a short video to tell them how grateful I was for having Yoda and Doodle in my life. But now they're gone, and it's okay, but at least they're not suffering anymore. And thank you, Neil, for helping. Have a happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Peace. And I'm gonna leave pictures. I'm back again to tell you I'm gonna leave pictures of all the dogs who passed away in my life, and which I'm truly grateful to have, which I had in my life. So I'm gonna send you the pictures. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And please take care of all of y'all. Especially you, just take care of yourself. I know you have one liver and one kidney, so that's why I want you to take good care of yourself. I know you was not feeling well yesterday, and I helped you get better. Please do not smoke that much. Don't do that for me. Try to stop your habit of smoking, Justin. Because that's the only way I'm going to feel better. You try to help out with this. And Neil, thank you for the advice you gave me, and thank you for saying good stuff about my dogs. Appreciate it. And now I'm about to show you guys pictures of my dogs. Have a happy holidays. Peace. And those are the videos and those are the pictures I sent to you, posted. God bless and happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas. And pray for Doodle to be a better place. Amen. Thank you, Neil, for praying for Doodle being in a better place. I appreciate Neil. And I appreciate Justin for you understanding what I'm going through.